How to add Cash App card to Apple Pay. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you add Cash App card to your Apple Pay. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the Cash App with your account. Alright, so after you open the Cash App with your account, you'll get such interface. So from here you'll have to tap on that card option just at the bottom left corner, so it will appear at the just left of your balance icon. So simply tap on that card icon. Alright, so after you tap on that option, you'll be able to see such interface. So from there you'll have to go the options like add card to Apple Pay, so you can easily find these options on your iPhone. So simply tap on the option add card to Apple Pay. Alright, so by tapping on the option you'll be able to see such interface. So from here you'll have to confirm with your name and card number. So after you confirm it, you'll have to just tap on the next option. Alright, so it will process from here, and after some few seconds you'll be see a terms and condition policy. So simply from here you'll have to just tap on this agree option just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so by tapping on the agree option, you will be able to see this confirmation message like your Cash App card was added to Apple Pay. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.